What if, starting today, you could launch your own software company with zero coding, zero hiring, and zero experience? What if, in the next 60 seconds, you could unlock a full team of 30 plus developers, web, iOS, Android, design, testing, even cybersecurity, all working for you 24/7 while you keep 100% of the profits? Sounds impossible? It's not. Because let's be real, starting a software business the old way is brutal. Developers cost $30K, $50K, even $100K a month. Freelancers ghost you, deliver late, or send half-baked work. And learning to code yourself? Well, that's years wasted. That's why most entrepreneurs are locked out of the $500 billion software gold rush. While the big players cash in, everyday people are stuck on the sidelines. Well, not anymore. Hey, my name is Laxman, and on behalf of my team, I'm excited to introduce to you DevMan AI, the world's first app that gives you a done-for-you developer company in a box. With DevMan AI, you don't just get a tool. You get your own software business ready to launch in minutes. Here's how simple it is. Step 1, log in and activate your agency site. Step 2, choose from 30 plus expert developers to handle your clients' projects. Step 3, collect payments directly into your account and keep 100% of the profits. No coding, no hiring, no stress. Imagine closing a client on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook, and instead of scrambling to hire a freelancer, you simply click Assign and watch DevMan AI deliver the project automatically. You look like you're running a full dev agency, but behind the scenes, DevMan AI is doing all the work. This isn't just another AI tool. It's not a template or a script or a freelancer directory. DevMan AI is your developer army on autopilot. It builds, it designs, it tests, it secures. It runs 24/7 without salaries, downtime, or drama. And unlike hiring teams or paying for SaaS subscriptions, DevMan AI is one time only. No monthly bleed, ever. Entrepreneurs are already using DevMan AI to deliver websites and apps without touching code, sell dev packages on Fiverr and Upwork, run full-on agencies without hiring a single employee. Marketers, freelancers, e-com store owners, coaches, affiliates, they're all turning DevMan AI into their first real software business. Here's the bigger picture. The software industry is a $500 billion gold rush. And now, for the first time, everyday entrepreneurs can get in without coding, without capital, without risk. But here's the catch. We can only offer a limited number of licenses during this launch. Once they're gone, DevMan AI switches to monthly pricing, no exceptions. So if you want to launch your own dev company today, without coding, without hiring, without stress, this is your shot. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. That means you risk nothing, and the only risk is missing out. So don't wait. Click the button below right now. Unlock your DevMan AI license today. Launch your software company in minutes, and finally claim your place in the $500 billion software gold rush. DevMan AI isn't just software, it's your shortcut to becoming a software CEO starting today.